Alright my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I don't come your side, I don't come your screen with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. The koko now be say, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory wey be Oga Wike, he don come outside now come make one interesting declaration. He say like this now, he don bear RIPO, he don Kpai already, and he is very much blind to his detractors. Oga Wike say like this now, he is 100% focused on his assigned task of developing the Federal Capital Territory. And the minister dey yarn all these levels on Friday wey be the 6th day of December for inside this year 2024 during the flag off of the design, construction and furnishing of the office annex of the body of benchers of Nigeria for inside Abuja. The things and things wey Oga Wike talk now during this event e plenty, no be small. He say as a politician now wey him be, he can neither hear nor see wetin him detractors are saying or doing. He no dey see wetin him enemies dey do and he no dey hear wetin they dey do at all. According to how Oga Wike take yarn am, he said the good thing about them as a politician, they must get thick skin, and he wey be Wike, he get thick skin. Like this now, he no even dey hear wetin people dey talk. He no even dey see those people now wey dey talk am sef, and he no go fit reply like this. And he said there are 3 signals wey a politician must always have. Number 1 for that 3 signal be say the politician go dey blind, he no go fit dey see. Number 2, the politician go dey dumb, he no go fit dey talk. And number 3, the politician go gats dey deaf, he no go fit dey hear. So whatsoever anybody now dey yarn, whatsoever people are saying, you no go fit hear because you are deaf. And those people wey dey yarn am, those people dey talk the talk, you no go fit see them because you are blind. And because say you no sabi talk, you no go fit reply them. So he go go ahead now and continue to dey do im work for the best of the country. That's all he gats do, and that na all he go fit do for inside we nation Nigeria. So my good people, this na the talk wey come outside from the mouth of Oga Wike. And like this na him dey yarn say all those times now wey country people dey complain about im performance, he no dey hear, he no dey see, and he no go fit reply. Even when countrymen now dey yarn, dey give am to make him forget about the things and things wey dey go on for inside Rivers State. Make no put body for governance of Rivers State, make him focus on the appointment wey our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu give am. He dey try yarn now say he no dey hear, he no dey see, and he no go fit reply. Even when country people dey for inside Abuja be dey complain say the things and things say Oga Wike dey do, they no like am at all. In dey render most country people dem homeless because say in dey demolish their houses and he no even compensate them based on say he wan do project. Now he don come outside down dey yarn say all those kind talk, he no dey hear, he no dey see, and he no go fit reply. And according to Oga Wike, these na the 3 signals wey politicians gats get for inside we nation Nigeria. And if you ask me, my good people, I go tell you say these 3 signals, these things and things now wey Oga Wike dey talk na anti-democracy. The thing na no go work well with the general public. But since all fingers are not equal, I believe say many country people now they go dey in support of wetin Oga Wike dey talk. Drop your point of view or anyhow the thing be you for body for inside our comment section. Meanwhile, my good people, I still get another legit intel wey dey my table wey I need share give the general public. The koko be say the human rights lawyer wey dey go by the name Deji Adeyanju, he don last bow to pressure and he don tender an apology to the acting national chairman and the acting national secretary of the People's Democratic Party wey dey go by the name Umar Damagum and Senator Samuel Anyanwu. The apology of Oga Deji Adeyanju e dey come after him bin make some allegations. Him bin make some defamatory statements dem against Oga Umar Damagum and Oga Samuel Anyanwu during a podcast interview. For inside this interview, my good people, Oga Deji Adeyanju come dey accuse Oga Damagum of serving tea and Anyanwu of serving kilishi for inside the house of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's chief of staff wey be Femi Gbajabiamila. The human rights lawyer come dey yarn, he come dey claim say the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory wey be Oga Wike and Oga Umar Damagum say both of them dey be spy for inside the People's Democratic Party and they dey work for our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and him now dey under the umbrella of the All Progressive Congress. Now based on say they no like this accuse, based on say they no like the claims wey the human rights lawyer drop against them, Oga Damagun and Oga Anyanwu dey come threa ten to drag Oga Deji Adeyanju to court for civil and criminal litigation over the alleged defamatory remarks. However, my good pipu, for inside one letter now wey carry the date 6th of December for inside dis year 2024, the law firm of Oga Deji Adeyanju wey be Deji Adeyanju and Partners dey come retract the statement and dey come apologize for any harm caused to them. And for inside dis letter now wey dey signed by Zainab Ortega, dey come dey yarn say the statements were not intended to defame their clients, and any perception of defamation in the said statement is very much regretted and withdrawn with apologies. And he said the statements of their clients for inside the podcast were taken out of the bigger context of the conversation. And for inside this conversation, he dey talk about the need for the leadership of the People's Democratic Party to provide a strong opposition to the ruling All Progressive Congress. And as a human rights activist, their clients now dey remain committed to the betterment of we green white green country wey be Nigeria, and they go continue to dey urge those people now wey dey in leadership to prioritize the interest of country people over and above personal interests. So dis my good people na the things and things wey dey for inside the letter wey dey signed by Zainab Ortega, and dis man now dey represent the law firm of Oga Deji Adeyanju. Now I believe say when Oga Deji Adeyanju bin dey make that statement, bin dey talk that talk for inside the podcast, him dey mean am as figure of speech, he no mean am as disrespect or any other levels. He just bin dey talk in point of view about how he take see matter, about how he take see the things and things wey dey go on for inside the People's Democratic Party. But it is quite unfortunate say Oga Samuel Anyanwu and Oga Umar Damagun dem take the matter personal, and to indicate to let the general public know say Oga Adeyanju no mean any harm by saying all those levels. He no come outside now, he come apologize to the chieftain of the People's Democratic Party. But this in apology now no change the fact say the leadership of the People's Democratic Party, they are not doing well at all at all. E no change the fact say some kind men now for inside the People's Democratic Party, they dey true work as spy, they dey true work as mole for inside the PDP, they dey work for our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu under the All Progressive Congress. And no be lie my good people, all fingers now dey point at Oga Wike plus Oga Umar Damagun and Oga Samuel Anyanwu for all the katakata wey dey happen for inside the People's Democratic Party. This my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey like give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp. I dey come your side again with another legit intel for you my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.